Your name again and your designation?
Arnold Mchungwazi, Provincial Road Engineer from Manicaland.
Thank you so much.
Spirit level.
This guy's made us straight up. So maybe up to the section by no area.
Okay, this is the Ngundu Tanganda Road. We wanted to do it last year, but we couldn't do it due to some tendering challenges. But we managed to complete it in 2018. The first phase is a 30-kilometer section out of the 84-kilometer section. So the first phase of the 30-kilometer was done with the contractor Bitumen World, and we managed to complete the project in 2 months' time. That was in February up until March. The cost of the project amounted to $4.2 million. So right now we are in the tendering process of the second phase of the 54 kilometers. And we hope by the end of this year we should have finished the second phase, and the funds have already been dispersed by the Ministry of Finance. Yes.
What was the state of the road before reconstruction of this road?
The road was really bad, a lot of potholes. There was a failure of the base and the surfacing. And this road mainly is used by heavy trucks which come from the southern part of the country up to the eastern part, because they cannot use the Beshnaf Bridge due to the weight restriction of 25 tons. So they have to use this route up to Mutai. So because of that, we had to redesign it up to cater for the extra haulage of the heavy trucks. Yes.
And the link, which town, cities, villages does this road link?
It links to Cheche, Sumba, and up to Ngundu in Mashingo. Yes.
So now after the refurbishment, what is the lifespan of the road?
20 years.
20 years.
Yes.
Come again on the contractors, were they local?
No. Yeah, they were local. The Bitumen World.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And from here, the next road within this region?
The next road in terms of?
Reconstruction of the roads.
Reconstruction. The nearest road which we intend to do is Muramida Beshnaf. It's links from Muramida.
Thank you. Your name again and your designation?
Arnold Mchungwazi, Provincial Road Engineer from Manicaland.
Thank you so much.
So maybe when do we expect for the other parts? When do you think maybe the whole of the road will be complete?
Well, the next phase of the 54 kilometers is the one that is so we expect by next month we should have started, because the tendering process is closing this week. Next week. So after that tendering process, we award when the contractor moves to site. The money is already there, so by this year we should have finished the 54 kilometers. Come.
level.
These guys went straight.
Nini?
Or maybe up to the section final area.